everyone, welcome to Saucy Cat. My name's Zoe, and this next recipe we've been trying to make since our very first week of YouTube, but we kept pushing it back and back and back and back. Well, I'm sick of it, so today we are finally making the Saucy Cat official vegan lasagna. Let's get into it. First, let's get our veggies out of the way. Chop up 2 cups worth of zucchini and 2 red bell peppers. In a separate bowl, mince up 1 yellow onion and some garlic. Bring a large pan to the stove and heat up some olive oil on medium-high. Add the onion and garlic and saute for 5 minutes until the onion starts to turn translucent. Now dump in the rest of our veggies. Generously season with some salt, pepper, and a little bit of red pepper flakes. Lower the heat to medium and let the veggies really sweat out their liquid, stirring occasionally for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's get our ricotta cheese mixture. Start with chopping up about a cup of fresh basil and a cup of spinach leaves. Add them to a bowl along with 2 cups of vegan ricotta. Dump in some vegan parmesan and give everything a good old mix. Now time for our lasagna noodles. Bring a large pot of water to boil and cook the noodles per package instructions. Once they're done, drain out the water and fill the pot back up with cold water. This is how I stop the noodles from sticking together. With our veggies, cheese, and noodles ready to go, let's assemble this lasagna. Grab a large casserole dish and cover the bottom in about a half cup of marinara sauce. I'm using our homemade marinara sauce, which you can find a link for down in the description. Next, to lay out 3 to 4 sheets of pasta to cover the sauce. Then spread about a half cup worth of our ricotta onto the pasta. On top of that, spread out another half cup's worth of our marinara, then a half cup's worth of our veggies. Finally, take some vegan mozzarella and parmesan and sprinkle a 1/4 cup across the veggies. Lay another sheet of noodles across and repeat the pattern of ricotta, marinara, veggies, mozzarella. Continue until all the layers have been made, then top the lasagna with the rest of the mozzarella and some more parmesan. Add an optional crack of black pepper before covering the dish with foil. Place the dish into a 350-degree oven and bake for about 40 minutes. Once that's up, remove the dish and take off the tin foil before putting the dish back into the oven. Switch the oven over to broil and cook the lasagna for a final 5 minutes to brown up the top. All that's left to do is grab some fresh basil and plate this dish. After like a year and a half, it's finally time for this lasagna. Oh my god. Lasagna is one of those recipes where there are just so many ways you can make it, but I really like what we chose to do here. We have that amazing homemade marinara sauce, the awesome roasted veggies, and of course 3 different cheeses. How does it get better than that? Well, that does it for today. Let me know how you make your lasagna down in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
No! It's stuck. There we go.
There we go.
Yeah!